Your next step with Tableau. You can learn Tableau in your own free time with Tableau tutorials. There are many more concepts and functions in Tableau that has not been covered in this series. For example, what are sets? What are parameters? What other actions can be done in Tableau? How can we drill down the data? How can we link the data? All these can be learned through Tableau tutorials. Another source is Tableau Public. You can share your work there, ask questions, and look at others' work too. Let's look at their website. Click on Gallery. Gallery is the place where we can see tons of data viz that were created by other Tableau users. We can click into any one of them and interact with the dashboard. We can also download it and explore it offline. Now let's go to Blog. Blog is the place where news about Tableau is shared. Next, Resources is the place where there are many tutorials to watch. Many datasets to download. And many community resources to keep track of. For example, there are community data viz challenges like Makeover Monday, Workout Wednesday, Throwback Data Thursday, and so much more. Last of all, let's go to Tableau user forums. It is a place where you can ask questions, and those who know the answer can help you out. We hope that with these modules, we have introduced you to the basics of data viz with Tableau. We highly recommend that if you are interested, check out these resources and continue learning. This is the end of our module, but also the end of our series. Thank you for staying with us till the end, and we hope that you will continue your next step with Tableau.